And for me, say Nokia 3.1, and I'll show you how to enable the developer options. And we'll start off by opening up the settings app. So pull down the notification and you'll see this little gear icon. You can just tap on it instead of looking for it in the app drawer. And from here, we'll go all the way down into system. So it's at the bottom of this page. Then tap on advanced. And what we want to go is about phone up here. And look for build number. Okay, so here we go at the bottom also. And what you want to do is tap it 7 times, get a message, you are now a developer. And now if you go back, you just seen a little option appear there. And now we have developer options here that are enabled. If you want to turn them off, you can actually flip this off and go back and they will disappear. So from here you have different things you can actually enable, disable, however you like it. And you can go to a wide plethora of other options here, choosing like animation speeds and other stuff here. So you might want to go through it, read whatever you would like to change. And all the options here are separate from basically every other option in setting. It's like standalone and hidden in a way. So yeah. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.